Hello, dear listeners. I have already spoken about ANACARDIACEAE group of remedies. I have talked about Rhus Glabra, Rhus Radicans, Rhus tox, which is our famous one. But today I'm going to talk about a very interesting but a remedy which has a very small Materia Medica. Its name is Rhus Aromatica. This remedy has special affinity in cases of urinary complaints, which are associated with diabetes and diabetic related issues like polyuria, frequent urination, especially in old age. People get up in the night. This is a typical symptom of Rhus tox as well. Although Rhus tox also have this urinary problem, restlessness, but mostly Rhus tox doesn't cover the diabetic issues. In urinary complaints, mostly patients complain that they feel severe pain at the beginning or before the urination starts. This species in ANACARDIACEAE has special affinity for urine or renal issues, same as there is another Rhus venetica. It has special affinity for skin related issues. Rhus tox has more joint related issues. Same as Magnifera, which has also affinity for joint issues, especially the cervical issues. But you can always find that the tight, caught feeling, stiffness feeling in all the ANACARDIACEAE. Let's say in Rhus venetica, you feel that tightness of the skin, or on mental scale, they feel that caught, stiff, feeling in their mentality. In Rhus Aromatica, you feel also that tightness around the bladder or urinary or renal, the area. Keep in mind, these all remedies has that the basic feeling of this stiffness, the stiffness of the Rhus tox, this caught feeling, stiff, cannot move, tight. This you find in all the ANACARDIACEAE family members. This remedy has this stiffness of Rhus tox with diabetes. If you see any patient who comes with typical Rhus tox, arthritis or joint issues with the uncontrolled or elevated level of sugar, blood sugar, or high blood pressure, then instead of giving him Rhus tox and anything else, just try this remedy. Now about its potency. This remedy works wonderful in low potencies like mother tinctures, Q potency, 3C, 6C, 12C, or maximum 30. The problem in practice is we sometimes don't look around the remedy. Let's say if you see in the Rhus tox cases, you always try to prescribe Rhus tox in cases of joint issues. But if you see that the patient is not reacting to Rhus tox, think of Rhus Radicans or Rhus Glabra. I have already spoken about these remedies in much details. Same with this Rhus Aromaticas. Think of this remedy when the diabetic issues and joint issues are not healing from any other remedy, but they have this typical Rhus tox feeling.